In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pivot tables in Google Sheets. Whether you're looking to analyze large datasets or simply want to summarize your information easily, pivot tables are a powerful tool that can help you get insights at a glance. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. If you haven't created a Google Sheet yet, simply navigate to Google Drive and click on New to create a new spreadsheet. Once you have your data ready within the spreadsheet, it's time to prepare it for a pivot table. Next, highlight the cells within your sheet that contain the data you wish to analyze. For our demonstration, let's say that's from cell A1 to B29. Simply click on cell A1 and drag your cursor down to B29. This will ensure everything in this range gets included in the pivot table. Now, look towards the top menu bar. You'll see an Insert option. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. From there, select Pivot Table. This is the magic button that will allow us to create a pivot table from the data we've highlighted. After clicking on Pivot Table, a new window will pop up asking where you'd like the pivot table to be located. Usually, it's a good idea to place it in a new sheet to keep things organized. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on Create. You'll now be directed to a new sheet designated for your pivot table. In this new sheet, on the right-hand side, you'll find options to configure your pivot table. To start, you'll want to focus on the Rows section. Click on the Add button under Rows. From the available options, select Offer. This will categorize your data based on the different offers listed. Next, let's add some columns. Click on Add under the Columns section and select YRs of Work Experience. This setup organizes your data by the years of work experience applicable to each offer. To summarize and analyze the data, you'll need to fill out the Values section. Click Add under Values and select Offer again. This time, your table will display the count or summary of offers in relation to the years of experience. Finally, to further refine your pivot table, you can apply filters. Click on Add under Filters and choose YRs of Work Experience. Filters can help you focus on specific segments of your data, allowing you to tailor your analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pivot table in Google Sheets, offering you a flexible and dynamic way to examine your data. By exploring these basic steps, you can harness the full potential of pivot tables to optimize your data analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.